Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by isolating the consumer unit, turn off the mains at the service head, and label each circuit so you know what you're working on. Put on insulated gloves and goggles, and use only rated insulated tools to avoid shock. Verify absence of voltage with a 2-pole voltage tester, then operate any RCDs to confirm proper trip behavior. Once done, remove the outer cover carefully, keeping screws and blanks organized, and take a photo of existing wiring before any changes. You now inspect the interior for loose neutrals, scorched insulation, or failing breakers. Identify components to replace and photograph the layout. With the mains still isolated, loosen only one terminal at a time to swap a breaker or RCD, matching the new device's amp and characteristic. This prevents cross-connection errors. Make sure conductor lengths and sleeving meet regulations, then torque each terminal to the manufacturer's specification. Once replacements are fitted, tidy wiring with correct routing and secure earths where required. You finish by restoring mains and watching closely for any unusual smell, noise, or immediate trips. This tells you if a live fault exists. Then run formal tests: insulation resistance, earth loop, and RCD operation, recording results against expected values. If a circuit trips, isolate it and re-energize others to find the culprit. Repeat until located. Make sure to label any changed components, replace the cover, and explain findings to the occupant. If unresolved,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.